In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under S to trade. So we're going to focus on the subtopic warehousing types and importance of warehousing basically. So we have about 20 to 22 quiz to practice. So let's get started. The first quiz to have here says a document which entitles its holder to the goods named on it, which is stored in a specific warehouse, is called warrant, debt note, credit note, shipping note. The right answer is option A, warrant. Okay, next question is one. Says the warehouse that is owned and controlled by the government is a state warehouse. Okay, option A, very important. Next question is one. It says the safekeeping of goods produced until they are needed is warehousing. Option C. Next question is this one. A warehouse which is used to store goods whose custom duty is not paid yet is a bonded warehouse, public warehouse, branded warehouse, wholesale warehouse. The right answer is option A, bonded warehouse. Now note that bonded warehouse is the same thing as state warehouse. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the warehouse that is owned and controlled by the government is a state warehouse, which is also known as bonded warehouse. Next question is this one. It says goods discharged from ships on which import duties have not been paid are kept in the bonded warehouse, which is state warehouse as well. Next question is one. It says a group of assets which a business acquires with the intention of reselling them are referred to as investment asset, fixed asset, intangible asset, current asset. Right answer is option A. Okay, investment assets. Next question is one. It says a type of warehouse used for storing goods on which custom duty is yet to be paid is known as bonded warehouse. Okay, so a type of warehouse used for storing goods on which custom duty is yet to be paid is bonded warehouse. Next question is one. It says James purchased goods from Samson and is to pay custom duties before collection. The goods are likely to be collected from a bonded warehouse. Option C. Next question is one. It says inventory control is an aspect of operations which has span of control, the organizing function, material management. Right answer is option D, materials management. Next question is one. It says a type of warehouse used for storing goods on which customs duty is yet to be paid is known as bonded warehouse. Option D. Yeah, guys, take note of these kind of questions. As you can see, they are being often repeated under warehousing. This question is one. It says which of the following enables production to take place ahead of demand? Warehousing. Option D. Next question is one. It says the factors that determine the sitting of warehouse in Nigeria include or except availability of basic infrastructure, nearness to government office, nearness to the distribution point, nearness to market, reception is nearness to government office. This question is one. It says average stock is derived by adding closing stock to opening stock, closing stock to purchase divided by 2, opening stock to purchases no, opening stock to closing stock divided by 2. Yes, option D. Next question is one. It says a factor necessary for sitting a warehouse is nearness to consumers. Option D, guys, very important. Next question is one. It says an importance of warehousing is in the production of goods, repackaging of goods, transportation of goods, importation of goods. Is option D, importation of goods. Okay, next question is one. It says the factors that determine the sitting of warehouse in Nigeria include or except. I think this is a repeated question. The exception is nearness to government office. Option A. Next question is one. It says the major types of warehouse are so manufacturer, bonded, public and departmental. No. Manufacturer, bonded, departmental and private. No. Wholesaler, manufacturer, public and bonded. Yes. Right answer is option C. Okay, take note of this question. Next question is one. It says Tolu purchased goods from EMC and is to pay custom duty before collection. The goods are likely to be collected from a bonded warehouse, which is something as state warehouse. Okay, next question is one. It says a document which entitles its holder to the goods named on it, which is stored in a specific warehouse, is called. We have debit note, credit note, shipping note, warrant. The right answer is option D, warrant. Next question is one. It says the document with which a manufacturing enterprises releases stock of raw materials to the factory for production is called stock releases form, material release form, stock issue voucher, goods received note. Right answer is option C, stock issues voucher. Option C, very important. Last question for end this video, this one. It says a warehouse which is used to store goods whose custom duty is not yet paid is a bonded warehouse. Option C. So guys, this basically can be problems involving types and importance of warehouse. For your JAMB commerce, we practice with about 20 to 22 take questions for this subtopic in ace to trade. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting improvement information and help you to excel in exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above. Now we see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.